Nut production is an agricultural industry with millions of tons of almonds, peanuts, hazelnuts, and macadamia nuts harvested each year. The global demand for these nuts has led to the development of sophisticated farming techniques and harvesting methods. Welcome back to Agri Tale. This video provides an in-depth overview of how farmers manage to harvest vast quantities of these nuts efficiently. From the cultivation and growth phases to the final harvesting process, each step is crucial to ensure that the nuts reach consumers in the best possible condition. Almond harvesting. Almonds are primarily grown in regions with Mediterranean climates, such as California, Spain, and Australia. As the flowers fade, they give way to the development of almond fruits, which take several months to mature. The first step in harvesting is to shake the trees, a method that has become standard practice in large almond orchards. Mechanical tree shakers are used to vibrate the trees, causing the ripe almonds to fall to the ground. The nuts, still in their hulls, are left to dry on the orchard floor for a period ranging from a few days to 2 weeks. At the processing plant, the almonds are hulled, which involves removing the outer green shell. The next step is shelling, where the hard outer shell of the almond is cracked open to reveal the edible nut inside. The almonds are then sorted, graded, and packaged for distribution. Peanut harvesting. Peanuts, also known as groundnuts, are a major agricultural product in countries like the United States, China, India, and Nigeria. Unlike almonds, peanuts grow underground and require different harvesting techniques. Contrary to popular belief, peanuts are not nuts, but legumes that grow underground. Farmers often conduct soil tests to determine the pH level and nutrient content, as slightly acidic to neutral pH levels are ideal for peanuts. Peanut seeds are sown at a depth of 1 to 1.5 inches, which is around 2.5 to 3.8 centimeters, with proper spacing to ensure each plant has enough room to thrive. In peanut cultivation, watering is crucial for good germination and growth, with plants requiring about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. Harvesting peanuts involves uprooting the plants, drying them in the sun, and then using a combine to separate the peanut from the vines. After harvesting, peanuts are transported to a drop-off facility, where they are dried, inspected, and stored. In processing factories, peanuts undergo cleaning, deshelling, blanching, and roasting before being packaged into final products like peanut butter. Throughout the entire process, strict quality control measures are in place to ensure the safety and quality of the products. Hazelnut harvesting. Hazelnuts, also known as filberts, are predominantly grown in regions with temperate climates, such as Turkey, Italy, and the Pacific Northwest of the United States. Hazelnut trees require well-drained soil and moderate temperatures to produce high yields. After the hazelnuts are gathered, they are transported to processing facilities for cleaning and drying. The cleaning process involves removing any debris, such as leaves and twigs, from the nuts. The nuts are then dried to reduce their moisture content, which is crucial for preventing mold and extending their shelf life. Once dried, the hazelnuts are cracked open to remove the shells. The kernels are sorted, graded, and packaged according to size and quality. Hazelnuts are used in a variety of products, including confections, spreads, and oils. Macadamia harvesting. Macadamia nuts are native to Australia, but are also grown in other subtropical regions including Hawaii, South Africa, and Central America. Macadamia trees thrive in regions with well-drained soil, high humidity, and consistent rainfall. The growing season for macadamia nuts is longer than that of other nuts, with the trees taking several years to reach full maturity and produce a significant yield. The nuts fall naturally from the trees when they are ripe, and farmers collect them from the ground. In some orchards, mechanical tree shakers are used to expedite the harvesting process. Once collected, the macadamia nuts are transported to processing facilities. The first step in processing is to remove the outer husk, a task typically performed by mechanical dehuskers. The kernels are then sorted, graded, and packaged. Macadamia nuts are often used in premium confectionery, snacks, and cooking oils. Challenges in nut harvesting. Nut harvesting presents several challenges, particularly for large-scale producers. One of the primary challenges is timing. The timing of the harvest is critical to ensure that the nuts are collected at peak ripeness, which directly affects their quality and market value. Another challenge is the labor-intensive nature of nut harvesting. While mechanical harvesters and other technologies have reduced the need for manual labor, some nuts still require careful handling to avoid damage. Pest and disease management is another critical aspect of nut farming. Pests, such as insects and rodents, can cause significant damage to nut crops, both before and after harvest. Economic impact of nut farming. Nut farming is a significant contributor to the economics of many countries. Nut production provides employment for thousands of workers and generates billions of dollars in revenue. The export market for nuts is also substantial. Health and nutritional benefits of nuts. Nuts are highly valued not only for their taste, but also for their nutritional benefits. Almonds, for example, are an excellent source of vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage and support immune function. Peanuts, although technically a legume, are packed with protein and healthy monounsaturated fats. Hazelnuts are known for their high levels of folate. Macadamia nuts are particularly high in monounsaturated fats, which can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. As consumers continue to seek out healthy, sustainably produced foods, the nut industry is likely to see continued growth and innovation. Farmers, processors, and researchers will need to work together to address the challenges of climate change, resource management, and market fluctuations to ensure the long-term viability of nut production. By doing so, they will contribute to a more sustainable and resilient food system that benefits both producers and consumers alike. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in these videos, Agri Tale is for you. Like, share, and subscribe, and keep watching Agri Tale for more.